Yo, what's up? My name is Ark and welcome to my new series Lost Roots. For the people that are wondering, Lost Roots is a series about hidden places here in Europe. So this could be the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany and many more other places that we will be visiting along this journey. And today our lost route leads to the Willems Temple here in Apeldoorn.
Apeldoorn has many beautiful places like this one, but what makes this place so special isn't the history, it's where Apeldoorn is located.
I actually made a video here before once on my other channel, aka Rivium Explore, and on that channel I didn't really say too much about the whole place. I just went on a walk, basically showed a few B-roll shots here and there, and that's basically all I did in that video. I mean, I did add some spooky sounds to it, but that's not everything that makes a good video like this one. I've actually been wanting to step up my game when it comes to making videos and vlogs like these ones. So yes, that's what I'm actually going to be doing for a lot of these right now. Of course, there's gonna be simple vlog videos on the channel too, but most of these I will actually try and step up my game even further beyond. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
Not only are there wonderful structures you can explore, there's a variety of animals that you can find around the forest too. Spit that beat. Some prime examples of these animals are peacocks, horses, some weird kind of turkey thing with their baby, and of course, deer. But now, what you've been waiting for is finally here.
It still amazes me how incredible this little temple actually looks. Structures like this really have to be explored more often. Because this is the Willems Temple. The Willems Temple is a wooden-like structure located in the forest of the Dutch royal family, also known as Paleis het Loo.
Paleis het Loo was originally built in 1684 as a hunting ground and vacation home for Willem III and his wife Mary Stuart. But now it's home to the tourist attractions and one of the most beloved forests of the Netherlands. And now back to the Willems Temple.
It was originally built in the year 1786 and over the years it has slowly decayed. Until the year 1830, when it was renovated into something a bit more romantic. Then in 1895 it was rebuilt again into the structure that you can see behind me here today. What makes this design so cool is that it's actually mostly made out of wood and tree trunks, which are actually strong enough to be standing here for almost 200 years. Now, what exactly was the purpose of such a unique looking structure like this? Good question. It was mainly used for King William III as a place to sit in silence and think. But now it's mainly an attraction for people to come and enjoy the forest and relax after a long walk. Places like these is really what sets the mood for a beautiful forest like this. I really enjoy coming here myself. Oftenly I take walks with family members or maybe with friends of mine.
I actually think I speak for many people when I say taking a walk here is like being in heaven. Just these absurd amount of animal species and godly views alone will carry this place to the top of the Netherlands. And if you thought the Willems Temple was the only good structure here, well then you're dead wrong.
It's actually a really cool place to check out yourself. The link for this location will of course be down in the description for if you're in and around the area, you can come check it out yourself, because it is beautiful. I know this episode was a little bit short, but worry not, because in future episodes I'll change that. Anyways, if you guys like the vibe on this channel and think these videos are sick, then make sure to like the video and leave a comment about your favorite location near you. And as always, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.